Hi guys, so today bigyan ko lang kayo dito ng pinaka-update. Itong campaign na ito is available para makakuha ng 20 BGB airdrop dito. Ginawan ko na to guys ng perspective before pero meron silang gagawin na launchpad, no? As we all know guys, yung launchpad is isa sa mga inaabangan ng mga traders, mga experienced traders para makakurot doon sa pinaka-allocation guys, no? So pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today, as well as itong price action. Binigyan natin to ng perspective, nasa 16-18 cents pa lang yung price action. Other details dito guys sa launchpad, no. So bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga updates natin na ginagawa dito sa ating YouTube channel. So dito nga guys, yung mga official links naman nito, lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. Meron silang C exclusive, no. So like you need to accumulate some spot, volume, or trade. Especially dun sa mga bago pa lang din. So, 3 days ang promotion na ito. Almost 4 days, no? And dito guys, merong pinaka-simpleng task lang naman. So, volume sa spot trading. Andito yung mga details. Mga mananalo, andito yung pinaka-details guys, no? So, launchpad, meron silang sorpresa dito na BGB as they mentioned. Para sa mga bagong user lang ito, manalo ng 20 BGB airdrop sa inyong unang spot trade guys, no? Again, itong video natin today is just an update lang, an opportunity, and sa mga wala pang account, you can just browse this one guys. Yung official link naman nito, lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. Speaking of BWB airdrop guys, binigyan natin to ng perspective. If you can see ito, meron tayong video dyan. And as I've observed in crypto space, once na magkaroon ng launchpad yung isang airdrop is that after niya malist sa exchange, ay doon na magkakaroon ng pinaka-distribution, magkakaroon ng presyo guys, no? So it's a free yung pinaka-airdrop. So dito nga guys, meron ng snapshot details dito. Ito yung pinaka-total supply ni BGB. And then yung other details pa dito guys, andito naman. You can check this one, and as mentioned nga dito is Bitget wallet or yung BWB launches on Bitget Launchpad. So you need to have this BGB, tas USDT isa din sa mga factors bakit tumaas yung price action nitong si BGB guys, no. So as we can see, price action is going up, and nung nakaraang taon binigyan ko to ng perspective when the price is around 18-16 cents, no, around this area ito. So right now nasa 1.4 na siya. Ayan, ito yung pina-price action. Isa din to sa magbe-benefit if ever na bull run, kasi yung utility token ang kanyang pinaka-use cases dito guys, no, exchange utility tokens, no. If we observe other exchange utility tokens, nagkakaroon siya ng pag-angat ng presyo during market run guys, no, during bull run. So isa ito sa mga benefits. And hindi ko ginagaranti din guys, no, kasi it's my own experience lang upon observation, and yung past performance does not guarantee, no, yung pinaka-future results. So that's very important to know, and risk management is very important guys. Again, as Kip mentioned kanina, na this video is just for ideas lang and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice, no. So ito isa sa mga update. Ito, lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. So, like for example, join lang dito if bagong user ka and makakapasok ka na dito, you can get this 20 BWB airdrop guys, no. Andito naman yung mga details pa, other FAQs, andito sa pinakababa, and yung pinaka-launchpad nasa position calculation, snapshot ends, no, under snapshots. And dito sa pinaka-detalye na ito ay nasa phase nung holding calculation period guys, no, June 1 ngayon. And then June 4 ang katapusan naman nitong holding calculation period, no. Commitment period is on June 4 hanggang June 6, no. It's 2 days event. And then yung pinaka-results na ito guys is June 6, no. BWB distribution June 6. And then yung inaabangan ng karamihan, yung spot trading niya malilist under USDT pair sa June 6 din ito guys, no, 12 UTC. So isa ito sa pinaka magandang update in my own opinion, kasi as we all know, yung mga airdrops does not guarantee totally, pero ito, sign na ito na magkakaroon siya ng pinaka-presyo dun sa mga nag-participate ng airdrops. Before, I'll keep on sharing. Ayan. Congrats if ever man na magkaroon to ng presyo. June 6 yung pinaka spot trading, guys, no? So yun, I'll keep you posted sa mga potential airdrops dito. You can browse this one. Yung official link nito sa malilist na exchange, guys, ilalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. I'll try to make video din, guys, about this airdrop ni BWB, guys, no? So yun, ito lang yung pinaka-update natin today gamit itong application. Dito malilist itong si BWB, guys, no? And meron din tayo dito mga tutorials how to earn automated. Lalay ko na lang siguro, guys, dito sa screen para mapuntahan nyo. And see you sa video na yan, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.